The role of the looper and accumulator in the CU solar channel production line. Welcome to this in-depth video, where we explore the role of the looper and accumulator in the CU solar channel production line. If you are involved in solar mounting structure manufacturing or interested in advanced roll forming technology, this video will give you valuable insights into how these two sections keep production smooth, stable, and non-stop. In every CU solar channel production line, the goal is to achieve high speed, high accuracy, and maximum efficiency. That's why the looper and accumulator are considered essential components. The accumulator ensures non-stop operation, especially during coil changes. While one coil is being welded to the next, the accumulator continues feeding material to the roll-forming machine using its stored reserve. This design eliminates downtime, reduces scrap, and ensures a continuous production flow that saves both time and cost. The looper acts like a balancing system, storing extra coil strip and preventing tension between the uncoiler, punching, and roll-forming unit. By absorbing speed differences, it guarantees smooth feeding, precise punching, and stable forming quality. Without it, even a short pause or misalignment could damage the material or interrupt production. Together, the looper and accumulator create a reliable system that allows CU solar channel lines to run at high speed without interruption. They help manufacturers meet large-scale production demands while maintaining excellent product quality. At LOTOSFORMING, we design and supply complete CU solar channel roll forming lines equipped with advanced loopers and accumulators, making your production more efficient and competitive in the solar industry.